How to fix Cash App cannot link card at this time error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Cash App cannot link card at this time error. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Cash App. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Cash App application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, the other fix for this issue is open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further scroll down and you will see the support option. Tap on that, scroll down again and tap on the something else option, or you can simply tap on the chat option under Contact Us tab. Now, go ahead and chat with the support team of Cash App and further fix your issue by simply entering your query in the text box you see there. CashBot will send you an immediate reply related to your issue, and your Cash App application should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Cash App cannot link card at this time error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.